YouTube video SEO tips and tricks. Boost your YouTube videos SEO with these tips. 1. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends to find relevant keywords. 2. Engaging titles. Create compelling, keyword-rich titles. 3. Optimize descriptions. Write detailed descriptions with primary keywords, links, and timestamps. 4. Tags. Add relevant tags to improve search visibility. 5. Thumbnails. Use high-quality, eye-catching thumbnails to increase click-through rates. 6. Closed captions. Include accurate captions for better accessibility and keyword indexing. 7. Playlists. Organize videos into playlists for better discoverability. 8. Engage viewers. Encourage likes, comments, and shares to boost engagement metrics. 9. Consistency. Upload regularly to maintain audience interest and channel authority. 10. Analytics. Monitor performance and adjust strategies based on analytics. Implement these strategies to enhance your video's reach and ranking on YouTube.